Chewy disrupted e-commerce by transforming customer service into viral marketing. When pets pass away, their response isn't automated, it's deeply personal. Through handwritten sympathy cards, surprise portraits, and flowers, they've built a 30 billion empire on emotional connections. The data shows their minimal cost. Heighted strategy generates millions in organic exposure as customers share their experiences. In an age of automation, their success proves that authentic human interaction remains the most powerful marketing tool.